what I've seen in the dozen years that I've been with Hortica is I've seen the traditional retail florists. We all drive by strip malls every day. You think of a retail florist typically, right, in a strip mall. In the days prior to that, in my years prior to that, you would see them not only in strip malls, you would see them in standalone buildings. Now, that florist is changing because of the economy. Overhead is more difficult to deal with. We're finding that they are moving into where they can cut their overhead. They are getting rid of their storefront. They're going and working out of their home studios, converted garage, having a design studio. They're on premises at their residences. They are going into industrial parks where less overhead. They don't have to be open 24/7 anymore, right? You're not just putting a shingle outside. You can do appointment onlys. They're finding ways. They're really capable, like a chameleon. The ones that are surviving this economy right now are the ones that are able to tap into what do they need to survive and lower their overhead. Now, some of the people that have storefronts, they're still doing great. They may be in a real high traffic area, they have a fixed lease, so they don't have to deal with those types of issues. But for the most part, the landscape of the retail florist has changed just incredibly over the last, say, 17 years. So I'm seeing different needs, different types of coverages. So your traditional storefront, most likely he's going to be renting the shop that he's in. He's going to need business coverage, which includes property and liability. He's going to need auto coverage, business auto coverage for his delivery vehicles, because very high risk to have your vehicles out on the road all the time in a timely manner doing deliveries. We need workers' comp by law. Each state requires workers' comp injuries for their employees. And then in some cases they need an umbrella or excess policy, which is exactly how it sounds, an umbrella being over all the other coverages underneath. So that's basically what your standard retail florist would need, whether they are storefront or otherwise, and depending on their size, of course.